Hey guys, Jeff Ryan here. Dare I say it's a little chilly here in Florida. I normally never say that, but it's probably upper 40s, somewhere in the 50s, somewhere around there. It's kind of nice out. I got the garage door open for a change. Why do I have the Mach 1s on the track? Well, one, I like having fun with them, but two, there's going to be a very special deal with that here at the end of the video. Here's one thing. A project came in a bit ago, and I knew it didn't have all the parts. I know the chassis didn't have all the parts, but when I started tearing it apart, here's what's interesting. Look at the brushes there. One of them's completely black. The other one, you got the silver there. And the funny thing was when I got the engine plate off, I took the magnets out, and one, I think, yeah, it was the front one. It was the front brush. It wasn't put in flat. It was put in on its side. I mean, I just started cracking up. It was put in on its side. Here's another thing about this. I noticed this right away. The shoes, there's no springs. There's no springs. But look how short the part that touches the rail, the foot part there, look how short that is. Look how short that is. Interesting little find. Tell you what, we're gonna, I think I've got all the parts to get this thing running here. I've got the magnets. I need the idler gear. You have to find one. I think I might have like 2, maybe 3 left. So we're gonna get this thing running and looking a whole lot better. Got some new shoes there. Got the idler gear. We've got the clamp. We got a couple of new springs over here. So I think I've got everything to get this bugger running. And I also was looking at the hubs. I can freshen those up. I'm going to get the Molotov pens out and freshen those up. And we still have to pay attention to the, it's the back brush spring. Look how funky that bend is there. When you look into it like this, it doesn't look too bad, but I think I can do a little bit better with that. You know what? I just took the shoes off, but look at that. As far as the part that hits the rail, isn't that a significant difference there? You know what? Wow. I was just getting the axles off there, and look at the fur wad in the back axle there, and some came off there. You got to get that off there. If it gets up in the gears, you know, the crown gear and stuff, that's not good. That's not going to allow that back axle to run freely. Got the Molotov and all the hubs there. I'm going to set them aside and let them dry. Boy, they look good when they're refreshed like that, right? I know there's still a little bit more to clean. I have yet to do the bottom of the engine plate, the com plate there, and I got to do the gears. And I think we had a Christmas tree, did we not? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We got the Christmas tree armature on there. So let me go ahead and finish up the brushes here. I'm going to take the wire brush to the bottom of the com plate there, get everything cleaned up. I've said this a bunch, but oil as you go, and that's what I was doing. Where the engine stem goes and the back stem there, I like oiling them ahead of time. Just seems to make it a whole bunch easier. The chassis is fully back together. I know it's been plenty of time since the rims got painted there. I'm going to go ahead and put the tires back on, then we're going to go ahead and test it on the transformer. Tell you what, looks better there with the tires on, doesn't it? It really does, it really does. Let's get against the transformer. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Wow, much better. Why? It didn't work before. It didn't work before. So that is much better. Okay, we have a working chassis there. Pardon me. And at the beginning of the video, I was talking about the Mach 1s. We're going to get to those in just a second. Remember last week, Chris Larkin, I got his name there in the box still. Chris Larkin, he won the stake truck, dump truck, and the little bonus package I gave with him. Everybody else's name is still in the hat here. I mean, I've got everybody else's name. There's one still in there. Let me get it out. I've got just, boom, I've got everybody in here except for Chris. I'm going to keep him out. Here's what I'm going to do. Everybody that has already entered for the stake truck, dump truck, you're automatically entered. Unless you want to take your name out, let me know. You're automatically entered. I get everybody back in there. We'll do the drawing next week. But you're automatically entered not only to win the chassis there that we just refurbished and got going again, related to the Mach 1s. Guys, remember this one? It was a Mach 1 no factory accents. I'll take it out of here in the package and show you everything else that goes with it. I paid probably around 90 for it. We're going to do the raffle again. If you want to increase your odds, even though you've already bid, please go ahead and do that. If you want to bid for the first time, it's going to be $5 a bid to my PayPal. That's how you enter the raffle. All the information should be there at the bottom of the video right now. All right, very good. I got it out of the package it's in. It's in wonderful shape, guys. These screw posts have not been tapped. It's in that nice of shape. It's really, really, really a great piece. So $5 raffle. If you've already entered, your name is already in here, guys, except for Chris Larkin. I took him out and he won the last one. So again, if you've already entered, your name is entered. Now tell me, if you don't want your name in there, I'll pull your name out of the box there. But your name's in there if you did it. If anybody else wants to enter for it, the drawing will be, I will stop the entries at midnight on Saturday next week. The front bumper, the back bumper, the glass, all minty fresh and new. You get a front and back screw there and a guide pin. And just look at the body, guys. Look at the body. So again, $5, it's got to be worth it, right? I just put the Mach 1 away. The next person that's going to touch it is going to be you, okay? Just $5 raffle. Again, my PayPal information should be up on the screen right now. When I saw this come up, I knew I already had a red one. And again, now that I'm going to go ahead and do something with it, give it away as a raffle, I can't wait for one of you guys to get it. I love the Mach 1s. They look great going around the track. And the ones that don't have any accents, very, very, very difficult to find. They truly are. They're very difficult to find. So once again, this does not have any accents on it. The screw posts have not been tapped. The windshield, the front and back bumper, the screws, the guide pin, and the chassis, $5, you could possibly win it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Let me know if you need anything. See ya.